How to contact Scotiabank. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can contact a support team of Scotiabank. In order to contact the support team, first thing first, make sure that you're connected to an internet service. So without any further delay, let's get started. So there are different methods. You can either contact them through a phone call, email, or by visiting a nearby branch. In order to contact a customer support team through a phone call, what you need to do is you need to open up a web browser first of all. On the web address bar, type in www.scotiabank.com. Once you're on the official site, you can see right on top there are multiple tabs such as Contact Us, which is right in between. In order to contact them through a phone call, just tap on this option and then you'll be taken to the help center page. Right on this page, you can go through all of the instructions on how you can actually contact a customer support team of Scotiabank. However, if you're unable to follow the steps, what else you can do is you can also open up a new tab and then on the search box type in how to contact Scotiabank and you'll be able to find multiple search results. And you can also type in the particular country or the resident where you're actually residing. You'll be able to find the customer care's number. Along with that, if you want to contact them through email, so this is an official email of the customer support team. So that is basically how you can contact a customer support team of Scotiabank. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.